Hi, I'm Marna and it's Easter weekend, but doggone, I'm pre-recording on April 1st and it is cold here. So I didn't wear a cute little Easter top. Well, that and I don't have one. I am doing an Easter collab with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. We took this pattern, we're each using the same simplicity pattern, and we chose the outfit B. We're each making the same outfit, but using whatever fabrics, whatever trim, etc. to see what everyone else comes up with, which is kind of fun. I had fun shopping for it. I had fun figuring out how I wanted to do the contrasting colors, the whole bit. The pattern we chose is 3 pieces. It's a jacket, a halter, and a little skirt. It's a 11.5-inch doll pattern, and the idea was size it for a Blythe. The jacket was a little bit big as I was finishing it, I could tell. So I had to shorten the sleeves a little bit, but otherwise it wasn't too bad. I did shorten the length also. Darren made these cute little 3D buttons. I am just loving them, but they're a little bright for this fabric. When I bought the fabric, I thought, oh, I have that purple I could use. No, it wasn't the right color. I have a pink. Well, the pink doesn't really show a pink, and on and on and on. So I finally went with the palish yellow that I have. The little skirt, let me pull it this way. I know I should put more, let me fix her hair. It worked out great, and if I had 2 snaps on there, I don't know why I don't put 2 on. I guess because their hair's long. But the ruffle piece, as you can see, just reached tightly. So I was a little disappointed in that, and I did cut it out per the pattern. So with a little bit of tweaking, I did make this fit her as was. The darts, I may have gotten a little bigger than what they showed on the pattern, but I usually do that. The halter top, I really like this. Again, one snap. Was a little large when I got it made. Let me pull this down. The only adjustment I really made was side to side. And I bunched this up and sewed it down this time rather than just putting the stitch in the middle and gathering. And the reason is it's Barbie size and it was going to stretch out. And I was afraid if I didn't have it tied just right, this would slide down. But otherwise, I think the pattern worked out well, and I would use this again. This was relatively easy. There was no facings or anything. It was just tuck under and go. So I was very pleased. Very simple pattern. I'm looking forward to doing some of these others. I love this dress with the inset piece, and what a cute jacket. So this pattern is a pretty nice one, I think. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Happy Easter. Please go visit each of the channels, Beth, Jay, and Tammy, and see what they did with their pattern today. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.